Hello and welcome to Order Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a ringer and back. Knowing how to do a double ringer already would be really helpful. Link to that in the description below. We're going to jump straight in and show you the move. Looks like this. Go 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. Breaking it down, it starts off exactly like you would going into a ring or a double ringer. So we go back, traveling return, slide to 2 hands, thumbs down, turn in the palms so the lady knows to not let the elbows get too far away from the body as the next section happens, otherwise they won't feel the lead. We're bringing the lady forwards, we're taking the palms down to the left, guys are heading forwards to the left, so the ladies are rotating right, guys are rotating left. We go past each other, back to back, over the top. As we drop the hands down, unlike a double ringer where you'd carry on straight through to do it again, we're stopping over to the left with a preparation. And now we do exactly the same thing backwards. So the ladies are heading past the guy's left shoulder, guys are heading forwards to the right, ladies are turning left, guys are turning right. We go round, back to where we were, preparation to the right. The easy ending is to let go with the left. Let's just turn, finish with the whirl, it's a spin. So return, spin, and catch. Let's do it from this side and think numbers. So we go back 1, traveling return 2, preparation 3, ringer 4, preparation 5, reverse ringer 6, preparation 7, turn 8, prep 1, return 2, and back 3. Okay, let's do it together. Here we go. And remember, with particularly with a move like this, if things are going wrong, do not try and recover it, let go. Okay, that way no one's going to get hurt and you can always have another go. But this is one of those moves, if things are going up the creek, let go so no one ends up in a position they're not going to be comfortable with. So here we go, 5, a 6, a ringer and back. We go a back all the way through, preparation, ringer past and prep, ringer back and look, turn, prep, return, spin and back. And that's the whole thing. I hope you find that one to be good fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.